ang hinaharap ng Pilipinas, a lot of optimism out there. Pero dito naman sa Amerika, mukhang marami sa ating mga kababayan nangangailangan pa rin ng tulong. We always talk about this on the show because it's good that we're able to help them. Talk about bankruptcy. Alamin po natin at intindihin ang bankruptcy sa ating Legal 411.
Itong Legal 411 segment ay galing para sa inyo mula sa Law Offices ni Johnny S. Ascano.
Attorney Johnny Ascano is once again joining us here on the show to talk to us about bankruptcy. Attorney, you know, first of all, maraming salamat because you always give light to this topic, no? Marami sa ating mga kababayan still in need of this. What are your thoughts? Marami pa rin bang lumalapit sa inyo to, asking about bankruptcy?
Marami pa rin lumalapit sa ngayon, ano? Kaya lang ang main concern nila is sometimes they're afraid to really come forward. Ang isa sa mga issue nila is sometimes meron silang tingin nilang asset at tingin nila dahil meron silang kanyaring savings sa bangko, they're reluctant to file for bankruptcy.
Naapektuhan ba yon? Pwede ba makuha din yung mga assets pag nag-file ng bankruptcy?
Well, ang nangyayari kasi dyan, the law actually provides certain exemptions ang tawag nila.
Okay.
No? Ang pinakamagandang example dyan is yung retirement benefits. Marami tayong mga kababayan na nagtrabaho ng matagal dito, malaking naipon nila sa kanilang 401 or retirement benefits.
Okay.
At tingin nila dahil may pera doon, they're not eligible to file for bankruptcy. The law actually allows certain retirement benefits na hindi magagalaw yon. Kahit na may pera ka doon, since hindi naman yun mailalabas ngayon, it's not available until your retirement, you can keep that and it's protected by the law.
Okay.
Hindi gagalawin ng bankruptcy
Okay.
court.
What about yung liability for credit card charges that were incurred shortly before filing for bankruptcy?
Meron kasi na tinatawag sila sa bankruptcy law na merong certain presumption na baka gumawa ka ng kalokohan or fraud na tinatawag nila. Kung kunyari, you go buy a large purchase today, and then tomorrow,
i-max out mo yung credit limit mo ng credit card, and then next week, mag-file ka ng bankruptcy.
Well, according to the law, it's like, meron silang tinatawag na within a certain period, immediately before bankruptcy, pwedeng atakihin ng korte yon at sabihin na you were already planning to file for bankruptcy, and the debt that you incurred shortly before, bago ka nag-file, ay yung intention mo is not to pay back. So ang tawag nila dyan, meron kang intention na parang lokohin yung mga bangko, and sa mga korte, they will try to either, depende sa nangyari, ano, kung talagang, kunyari, meron kang large purchase last week, tapos nawalan ka ng trabaho this week, ayun, may explain mo na, okay, I need to file for bankruptcy dahil merong drastic change in circumstances.
But when you say shortly before filing, attorney, can we be more specific? Meron bang number of days na kailangan? May time limit ba ito?
Meron silang tinatawag na if it's at least 75 to 90 days prior to yung pag-file mo ng bankruptcy mo, merong presumption na hindi ka na nag-commit ng fraud. Ibig sabihin talagang hindi mo na pinlano yun kasi it was a long time before you charge on your credit card.
Okay. Paano naman, attorney, yung mga may bahay dyan at kung halimbawa meron silang equity sa bahay, sa kanilang primary home, how is that going to be affected by them filing for bankruptcy?
Ito ang malaking question kasi we have a lot of clients who are actually, lalo na yung mga matagal na dito, may naipon na sila, meron na silang perang na, you know, may equity na malaking bahay. Meron silang tinatawag sa, it's depending on every state, ano? Every state provides what they call a homestead exemption. In California, they recently increased it for a couple. Kung mag-asawa kayo, magpa-file kayo ng bankruptcy. The bankruptcy exemption is up to $100,000. Kung kahit may equity kang $100,000, sabi nila, it's okay, you can keep that equity.
Paano kung ang equity is, let's say, $150,000? Yung paano yun? Yung 100 they can keep, 50?
They can keep the 100, and the 50, you can, you know, the court will either ask you to sell the house, and then you keep the 100,000 equity, and the 50 will go to the creditors, or you can pay the difference.
All right. 100,000, malaki na rin yun, attorney. But you mentioned the point, no, I want to ask, is it advisable for a couple to jointly file for bankruptcy or isa lang sa kanila?
Depende yan case by case. Meron tayong mga couples na for some reason, lahat ng credit are only with one of the couples, either the husband or the wife. Then, kahit mag-file yung wife, kung wala namang utang naman sa pangalan niya, it doesn't really affect her. I mean, it doesn't benefit her to file for bankruptcy.
Okay.
So in certain instances, minsan may nangyayari yun sa kliyente natin na talagang isa lang ang pwede.
Ayan, okay. Maraming salamat po sa pagkaklaro niyo sa amin ng mga issues ng bankruptcy. It's still, medyo nakakalito pa rin. It's very complicated, and like what attorney said, it's case by case. So if you want to consult with them, they'll definitely give you advice on what to do, kung ano mas mabuti para sa inyo. That's the number to call on the screen. And you moved offices, right?
Yes, we recently moved to downtown, so we're even more accessible to our Kababayans.
Yes, all right. And that's the number once again on the screen. It's a toll-free number, so call now and they will definitely assist you. Thank you, attorney, and I'll see you next week.
Okay, thank you so much.
Magbabalik pa ang Kababayan LA. Don't go away.